Hi there, this is Carrie from Stamp with CT. I'm really excited to share with you my Stamp with CT to Go online class for December of 2018. Each month you have an opportunity to receive the supplies to make the projects free when you place an order in my online store. This month you'll actually receive supplies to make 6 beautiful cards. I have 2 of each layout. And we are really going back to basics this month. Stamps, ink, paper, and punches. And when you have beautiful paper like this, you can make gorgeous cards very easily. And this is the second layout. Like I said, these are super simple, but so pretty. And then our last layout. I did focus on the Frosted Floral Designer Series paper. This paper has 13 of our Stampin' Up! Colors in it, which makes it so easy to pull some of the colors out to make your layers and to decide what to use for your card base. And then I also used 3 stamp sets. The first one is this Healing Hugs, which is one of the distinctive stamp sets. This is a really good thank you set, all things thanks. Now we use this You Are Amazing sentiment, so it's been a really versatile set for me. I've used it quite a lot. And then also accented blooms. And I did mention punches earlier, and this tailored tag punch coordinates well with this. So this month, all you need to do to receive the supplies is just place an order. You can choose whatever you'd like. We have our year-end closeout sale going on. The clearance rack has also been refreshed. And then, of course, we have annual catalog products that are still available. So I do know that the Frosted Floral Designer Series paper is also still available, even though it will be retiring very soon. So when you place your order in my online store at stampwithct.stampinup.net or contact me, you can email me your order. I'll be glad to enter it for you at stampwithct@gmail.com. I will send you the packet with all of the paper and the ribbon. There's just a little bit of embellishment on these cards because, like I said, we went back to basics. But I will send you those supplies in the mail once you've placed your order, along with a tutorial, a video tutorial. I do also have the packets available if you prefer just to purchase that and have the tutorial. It's $15 for that. And if you have any questions, I'll be glad to answer those for you. Just contact me at stampwithct@gmail.com. I would like for you to use my host code, and I've got it here for you, or you can contact me for it as well. Thank you so much.